Mindfulness has gained significant relevance within sports psychology as a tool aimed at improving attention, emotional regulation, and performance. In contrast to approaches focused on modifying thoughts or eliminating unpleasant emotions, this methodology proposes a different relationship with internal experience based on acceptance, conscious observation, and attention to the present moment. Mindfulness can be defined as the ability to intentionally pay attention to the here and now without judging what is experienced. Its practice seeks to develop an attitude of openness, curiosity, and acceptance toward thoughts, emotions, and sensations, avoiding automatic responses of rejection, avoidance, or over-identification. In this way, athletes learn to observe their experience without being trapped by it. Among its fundamental principles are self-regulation of attention, acceptance of experience, beginner's mind, patience, and the ability to remain focused on the present. These skills allow for better management of competitive pressure, reduce the interference of negative thoughts, and promote optimal states of concentration and performance. In the sports field, mindfulness is used to improve attentional control, emotional regulation, psychological recovery, and the ability to adapt to stressful situations. Its objective is not to eliminate discomfort, but to teach the athlete to relate more flexibly and effectively to their experiences, promoting both performance and psychological well-being.